Good morning guys. Nag-try naman tayo guys sa pinagpasingan natin guys, kasi yung nakaraan low tide, tsaka dumating tayo kasi 5:30, late na din ang dating natin, tsaka yung is very hot, you know, very hot to me to fishing, very hot guy. But this time I'm boring. I try again there guys in the beach side, but this time the weather again is good because nothing sun. Look guys, yan dito naman tayo guys, kasi oh wow guys, oh my god, blessing to me guys, is raining. I thought no raining, but this time it's good for me because it's high tide, and I think nobody fishing today except me guys, because the weather is no good. Still raining. Oh, I know that guy until I'm still walking, continuous walking, but me guys, how many month I don't exercise, and that this time is only a walking, because my car, my daughter using to work in the San Roque. He's a teacher there in San Roque. Yeah. Mr. B, good morning. Sis. Kaya dito tayo guys ngayon. I try what I catch today. Tingnan natin guys, because my bucket still empty. I wish I catching, and yesterday I harvest my banana, but until now still loading because I think it's very slow guys, very slow. Okay, oh my god, it's still winning guys. What can I do? Okay lang, subok lang tayo guys. Right, my Papa Jerry, let's go, start guys. Alright guys, oh, ang fisherman guys, oh, dyan lang isa guys, oh, ang pain niya, mahal na hipon pa, nasa $16 yan, ang per pound yata yan, grabe. So magsubok kayo tayo guys. Yun guys, oh, huli yan, oh, shit. Ida na, 2-4. May iipa. Woohoo! I love you, mama. Guys, I love you, mama. Fisherman guys, oh, andyan naman guys, oh, may huli naman siya guys. Ano naman? Woo! Iipa lang yun dyan eh.
Oo, dami nila eh.
Ang dami?
Bawa ng ipon niya.
Sige lang siya. Tinapay lang ako. Ayan guys, oh. Pagmahal yung hipon ng binili mo, magkano bili mo yan? $5 yan? Oh, ayos guys, oh. Subok tayo ng pahabol. Alright guys, alas 6:30 guys, gabi init, kaya ito siguro ang una nating kuha guys. Hindi ko alam, I don't know what kind of fish this one. At least still have now. Oh wow, first catch, maputi guys. Yan na guys, oh. Mabuti pa yung Pilipino guys. Ang dami nakuha, malalaki pa. Pero sa Papa Jerry, this is my first catch. Oh, guys, oh, wala pa yan. Ito na, isa na tayo guys. Alright, let's go lang. Another one guys. Sana yun? Ayun guys, oh, maputi ulit guys. Ayun na. Umpisaan na guys. Ganyan kalalaki lang. Okay na yan. Ayun ang isa, oh. Guys, oh. Mayroon naman guys, oh. Teka. Nasaan yun? Yun. Kasi lang, di sila masyadong malalaki guys. Pero okay na to guys. Hindi malalaki. Ayos na. Yan lang, kasi lang mainit lang guys. Sige lang, tutis na Papa Jerry. I love you guys. Sir B, I love you guys. Oh God, nawala pa yata guys. Ayan, nandyan. Guys, oh, yung malaki-laki ito guys. Guys, oh. Uy. Malakapas lang guys. Napat na yan guys. Ayan na oh. Malakapas. Oh. Start ito, di apat na yan guys. Sige lang. Tapos meron sa wala guys. Guys, time to harvest guys. Yun oh. Ayan na naman guys oh. Maputi naman siguro to guys. Ayan, ayan. Ayun guys. Harvest time. Lumalaki na si mama guys. Ha? Alright. Harvest time. Let's go lang. Let's go lang. Enjoy. Mr. B. Alright. Guys, time to go home guys. Pero yung that guy is a lot to catch into the guys. Tayo naman guys. Kahit paano. Nakahuli naman tayo guys. Kasi grabe na init. Tumawag na si Commander. Alas 12 na pala. Ganyan talaga guys. Pag mga 10:30 tayong mag-upisa. At least mga almost 2 hours din tayo. Pero siya, huli naman siya guys. Oh, oh baka ii naman. Kasi ang paay niya guys. Shrimp. Pasayan. Okay. Ito naman huli natin. Tanggalin na natin itong ating ano. Kasi marami akong na ano guys. Tawag to. Nakawala. 5. Mayroon siya sa wala. Yan natin ulit guys. Pagtapong ulit tayo kasi nawala yung tinapay eh. Inuhuli natin guys oh. Okay na din yan. Mayroon sa wala. See you tomorrow soon again guys. Subok muna ako bago ako uwi. Guys, yung mga bata naligo guys. I thought guys, I already go. But I try more. Baka makakuha pa tayo guys eh. Parang may kumagat guys oh. Ngayon pala yata tayo kagatan dito guys. Sana malaki-laki naman to guys. Malaki nga ito guys. Ayun guys oh, maputi guys. Ayun na. Ayun na guys. Palaking mama guys. Oh, pauwi na sana tayo guys. Ayun, laki guys oh. Ah, malaki ito si mama guys oh. Ayan guys. Okay na guys. Continuous pa natin guys ha. Sayang ang oras ha. Habang kumakagat pa. Guys, another one naman oh. Sayang talaga guys kung uuwi tayo guys. Ha? Uy. Ayan guys oh. Ibuhom na. Uy. Uy guys, malakas. Malakas si mama guys. Ayun oh. Huwag ka matagal mama. Ayun. Guys oh. Oh, kita mo guys. Kung umalis tayo guys. Di tayo nakakuha nitong malaking mama ulit. Ayan oh. Isa. Saka ngayon. Alright. Kuntis natin ulit guys. Sinandun pa yung fisherman guys oh. Oh. Marami siyang huli din. Tayo. Huli tayo eh. Kuntis meron tayo guys. Tingnan yung sinigang natin guys oh. Yan guys. Ang bilis. Yun naman ang papano natin guys oh. Tama yan. Yan. Dance na tayo guys. Sige lang. May init pa.